My name is Julie, and I am 50 years old, and I am a stay-at-home parent. I tried lip filler with another physician, and it did not go well, and so I came to Missy, and because I was crying every single day, and she fixed it. It took several visits, but she is a magician, and she fixed it. So, yeah. What I love about the U plan is I get just the freedom of coming in and not having to think about one thing, and I just will show up and they just do it, and my vials are ready, and I just say do whatever we need to do this time, and next time you might do something different. And I've already paid for it for the year, and it's a deeply discounted program, and it's just wonderful. I wouldn't do anything different. I would do it every year. It's already on my calendar for next year and the next year and the next, for the end of eternity, actually, as long as I'm here.